sure what would happen because I know that we had already put the deposit and all of that, and they did the work. But they reassured me. He called me really quick. Anthony was like, "Hey, I'm so sorry." Like, he was really apologetic and very understanding, and he was like, I'm gonna refund you everything. Like, he definitely made me feel like I was gonna be taken care of. I was actually surprised because I wasn't too sure how it. This is the first time that I even had to deal with any plumbers.
Yeah.
Because any of my houses never had any issues, so I was just a little relieved, and I was like, oh god. I know that you guys did a good job because my grandparents took pictures and everything, so I saw it and all that. Definitely recommend you guys. You guys were great, from the office people to Anthony coming out, everything, even after the misdiagnosing, all of that. I would definitely recommend you guys.